Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to add, edit, and rearrange data screens on your Garmin Edge 540. So, first of all, let's scroll up to the control center and press the Options key. Once you have the profile highlighted, press Options key once again. Then select Data Screens. Now, we're gonna have to select Add Data Screen if you want to create a new one. Then select the data screen type. As you can see, we have the default data screen, compass, cycling dynamics, e-bike metrics, etc. So let's go with the default data screen option. Then select the category. So for example, speed. Then in speed, we can select the speed meters that we want to use on this data set. Okay, once we have selected enough, we can go back. Then we can press and hold the Options key to click OK. Okay, then if you are happy with the result, click the Options key OK. You can select the field if you want to swap it. Just press the Options key on it, navigate to the position where you want to place it, and press Options key once again. And this will change the position of some tile on your screen. Now, once you are happy with the results, navigate down to Done and press Options key. Then you can reorder data screens. To reorder, you have to press Options key to select screen that you want to change the position of, and then move it to the position where you want to place it and press Options key once again. Okay. Now let's go back, and now we have our second data screen right here. So let's check it out. Scroll down. Okay, first of all, let's press the back button. Let's scroll down. Okay, let's open menu. Okay, I'm sorry. To access the data screen, we're gonna have to, of course, start the right first by pressing the play button, and then we have to scroll a bit down, and here we have our speed screen. So now, if you want to rearrange your screens, let's go back. Let's stop the write-in process. Okay, let's go to options and discard this write. Now let's go back to the control center, press Options key, navigate to profile, data screens. Now, first of all, select this three dot icon in the top right corner, press the Options key, and then select Reorder. And here you can reorder your data screens. So you do it in the very same way that we did it before. Okay, and if you want to change the data screen, you have to select it. Then go to Layout and Data Fields, and here you can adjust your data speed. So basically you can change it in the very same way that we did it when we created our custom data set. Then just go back and the changes will be saved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.